How to disable use biometrics to access secret mode on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable use biometrics to access secret mode on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, open the browser and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click settings. Scroll down, here you will find personal browsing data. Click on it and then click secret mode settings and here you will find use biometrics. If you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.